Last night I had a dream. Like I was playing chess, I sacrificed my queen. It was the only way that we could thrive, cause what we doing now is just surviving. Last night I had a dream. Like I was playing chess, I sacrificed my queen. It was the only way that we could thrive, cause what we doing now is just surviving. They say that all's fair in love and war. What is life but love and war? Two energies, two entities, one enemy and no savior. When death set, no favors. Who then gon' save yours from regrets? My best guess, the responsibility is all yours. But still, I wither from the comfort of my safety. I just can't seem to recover from the trauma that seems to make me who I am. I try to understand that ain't nobody coming. Still I'm running from the plan. Well, how did I get here? Confronting my ops inside the mill. Are you gon' live or die today? Whatever the choice is, it's yours to make. And best believe I'll make that decision all in due time. But time ain't never really coming, because time is inclined to snuff your life before you find time to refine. So pull the trigger on your dreams before you meet the divine. The bad and sublime swirl together something like wine. And so I take it to the head like a flip on a dime. Another flip, and best believe I'm getting tails from behind. And if she on that funny shit, that she can get left behind. Last night I had a dream. Like I was playing chess, I sacrificed my queen. It was the only way that we could thrive, cause what we doing now is just surviving. Last night I had a dream. Like I was playing